Yo, good morning everybody. Today is the day. It's super early in the morning right now, it's like 6. Luke and I finished throwing everything into our rental. We are headed down to SoCal right now to start working on the GTR and getting everything ready for Tune in Tokyo. This fool is a fucking savage. Drove all the way back from San Bernardino. No, not San Bernardino. Santa Barbara. He came from Santa Barbara to come help me out, so it's gonna be fun. Shout out to Luke for coming out, guys. Check out the trunk. We fucking filled this shit up. Look at this. This is all GTR parts besides our clothes right here. The canopy for the event. All the tires, exhaust, secret stuff right here, and some more secret stuff for the GTR in the back. Yo, Luke, you ready to fucking head down to SoCal? Little sneak peek on what's going on. We are headed down to Riverside. We are headed to Nifty build, and Ricky, the owner, is gonna finish up my wheels today and maybe show us a thing or two about rebuilding wheels. So I figured, you know what, let's pick up the camera and fucking film this and let's have fun today. So let's go grab some fucking energy drinks and head the fuck out. Little update, guys. Took a massive deuce. Now it's raining so fucking hard. It doesn't look as bad on camera. No. We're Californians, guys. It never really rains that hard, so you know. Everyone doesn't know how to drive. Yeah, everyone here doesn't know how to drive. When it rains in California, for some reason people drive faster. When I go down to Seattle to visit my family, like, it rains there all the time. And so it's funny how every time we come up, my family complains. And then my cousins are like, I don't know why you guys always complain when it rains. Like, you know, there's no accidents, no nothing. But Californians, they fucking think you can drive faster in the rain for some reason. And then we all get into accidents and shit. These guys are fucking close. I don't want to pass them, so I have more room. Oh my god, these guys are going into our lane and we can't pass them. Right. Sketch. First sign you're in LA. We're not moving anywhere. Are you fucking serious? Yo, after hella hours of driving, we made it. We're in Riverside right now. We dropped off all the GTR parts at Top Rank. Shout out to Top Rank. We're gonna go grab some Red Robin because we're hungry as shit. Oh, I'm so hungry. Bruh, you gotta have the same food as daddy or what? Oh, full. That was so good. Are you guys ready for the wheel reveal? We're headed to Nifty built right now to see the progress of the wheels. Right? Huh? Small ass slips, right? Yeah, small. These wheels are weak. So, I guess let's head to Nifty built. They're bunch. So I forgot to mention, Nifty built is like right next door to Premium Auto Styling. Pretty sure you guys know who they are. All the cars are up front. Oh, there's a Type R that's wrapped. Oh. Let's go backwards. I don't even think they watch our channel, but hey, what's up? Pretty good. What's up, guys? We didn't think the garage was open. I was just filming on the side. I don't know if you guys watch our channel, but of course we do. What's up, dude? Pretty good yourself, Luke. How's the drive out, guys? Hey, fucking suck, bro. Got a nice little hey, what's up, man? What's up, Randy? Good, man. John. Nice to meet you, dude. Nice to meet you. Hey, yeah. I heard you guys are going over to. What's up? Yeah, we are. They told you? Yeah. What's up? Stop by when you guys are done. Hell yeah, we will. Well, that was pretty cool. Sort of thought we were gonna roll by and they caught us vlogging, and then it's like, who the fuck are these guys, you know? But I guess small world after doing YouTube. Let's go stop by Nifty, check out the wheels, and maybe come back and check out their shop. Nifty built. What's up, Ricky? What's going on, brother? What's up, dude? What? You're way younger than I thought you were. Oh, that's good. Let's check out the shop. There's one right here. These are the wheels that are going on the GTR. Damn, these look so good. What? You have to get one last cleanup and then the caps get put in. Sick. That's tight, dude. I've been waiting so long for these. Oh my god. He definitely hooked it up and fucking pulled through right on time before the event. I can't wait to throw these on the car, dude. Dude, they look so good. They look way better in person. 5.5 inch lip, right? Yeah. Oh my god. This is fucking crazy. Tight. This thing's gonna be at Tuned in Tokyo Saturday too. Hell yeah. Well, that was fun. Got to learn more about rebuilding wheels. I honestly don't know too much. I think I'd like to build a set. Ricky said he's down to help me if I ever wanted to rebuild these wheels. But let's go to the premium shop and say what's up to the guys. When no one is looking, I like that. So we're really here, huh? Damn. You guys putting in work.
What's up, man?
What's up, boss man?
So we haven't got to officially meet, but let's meet.
Randy.
Daniel. Nice to meet you, brother. Love your channel.
Thank you, thank
What's
you.
up, brother? How are you, man? Pretty good. Car right here was provided by Ford. So Ford gave this to R1 Concepts, and R1 brought it over to us. So we're doing the livery style graphic on it, keeping the red, but just adding like their X and a bunch of stuff to it.
I'm gonna get a penis livery on mine. Ah, that'll be sick.
Hey, if you're a rapper, you'll definitely get one embossed under.
Yeah.
Oh no. No, now it's gonna be a real thing. Look at these guys.
They're rapping over here, obviously getting this laid.
Christian needs to take some classes.
We got the little wide body here. This one, it doesn't look like much now, but once we get that vinyl on it, I think it's gonna look really dope.
Yo, he's down to wrap my cars. That's pretty tight.
100% down. Yeah,
Dude, that would be
100%
so
down.
sick. Now we gotta get creative, but we're gonna do it right.
Yeah,
Right?
absolutely.
Wanna go super crazy, super big penis hidden under the door, you know?
Yeah, you won't even, you are gonna hide so many you won't even know.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. They're gonna probably fucking do that now.
It's happening.
It's happening? Oh, dude, I'm down.
So we do a lot of e-commerce and shipping, you know, just like you with the brand. We sell a lot of our t-shirts as well as pre-cut vinyl overlays. So a bunch of different cars, you know, headlight tint, tail light tint. Lots of shipping out of here. Usually we have full staff in here, but we're going ham in there because we're backed up.
Oh, super secret stuff in here, huh?
Creative room is in here. This is where all the media, all the videos, all of that happens here. So we have 3 full-time media guys, you know, from video to photo to the creative side.
What's up, man?
Here, he's designing delivery.
Randy.
Christian.
One of the
Christian,
cars
nice to
we're
meet you,
working on
dude.
next week. So
Oh, a little sneak peek. You mind if I get a little close up?
Absolutely. It's a track car BMW there.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, so a lot of the creative stuff happens in this room. That's just kind of the gist of it. We have a little retail up here, so customers can kind of come in here and wait, whatever it is. And then there's all the vinyl colors.
So this is where we're gonna be at while you guys are rapping. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh, fuck. Oh, hey, I'm down. I will do something like the gas fucking cap. That's it. This is tight, dude. I like you guys' stuff too.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, when we do something, we'll do a cool little collab. I think releasing a t-shirt together would be dope.
I think that would, honestly, I think that would be super tight.
Yeah.
I watch you guys like way before like doing YouTube. I never thought I was gonna do YouTube, to be honest.
And you're killing it, man. I love your channel, bro. I don't know,
Thank you, thank you.
There's so many people out there doing, you know, I wouldn't say what you're doing because you're doing it differently, but your channel connects with me. Like, I enjoy watching yours. You know, it's just you and all your boys. Kind of like it is here. You know, it's all like the family chilling and just doing our thing.
Let me see that technique. So what's the benefit of using the torch over like a heat gun or something?
The biggest benefit is not having a cord. You know what I mean? So like if you're working and you got a cord following you around, you got to move the cord in different places. So
Okay.
This is more dangerous. You know, like if you're not experienced with the torch, you can burn something. So you definitely want to have a little experience with it because it also heats up a lot quicker. So you can burn the material. There's a lot of different things you can do. So I'd say practice on your own car first before you go take it to a customer's car.
Hey, hand me a water. We're gonna steal this shit. Guys, so they only have this in SoCal, and I guess apparently at premium, but check this out. Oh, it's a SoCal cap. That's what I call it.
It's an exclusive.
Only at premium. Okay. Looks fucking crazy. Jesus fucking Christ. Hey Luke, whose car is this? Supercar suspect. Looks like a supercar suspect.
Yeah. It's inconspicuous.
So this is Misa's Type R, huh? Looks cool though, definitely like the color on the wrap.
It's like a iguana or whatever.
Nah, it's like you threw a mango onto a grape. Cool guys, man. Yeah. But they're gonna be at Tuned in Tokyo as well. If you guys wanna come see these guys, super nice. Thanks again for showing us around the shop. Pretty cool. Been watching these guys for a while and it's pretty cool to see some inspiration. Definitely want a shop of my own soon. I guess time to find a fucking place to stay, right? We didn't book anything?
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
Yeah, so So, and the wheels should be done later on tonight, so. Got a DM from the Tuned in Tokyo guys. And where we at?
Tuned in Tokyo.
We're at Tuned in Tokyo. Look at Yo, that thing is fucking bad ass. We're gonna ruin it. Just
Damn, they have a fucking headquarters, dude.
yeah, this is their fucking headquarters. Look, Tuned in Tokyo.
That thing's fucking cool.
What? Yo, what's up with all the cool cars down here in SoCal? We need more up in NorCal, guys. Come on, we need to step it up. Yo, this thing is fucking tight. These guys are in the middle of filming right now. Sorry to interrupt. But let's check this thing out. This is their giveaway car. If I'm not mistaken, this is badass. Luke, you are the winner of this car. Let's fucking take this and dip. They got a headquarters. All right, guys, if you guys want to share your space, let me know. I'll move in next door. Good shit ain't cheap. Cheap shit ain't good. Don't come to Illiminate Auto Body. That's just cheap.
Oh, we got a simulator.
Oh shit. Oh, this is tight. Hey, what's up, dude? I'm Randy.
I'm the one that's been talking to you. Brian.
Oh, that's you, Brian.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you finally, dude.
What's up, Frankie?
Frankie, Randy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's up, Randy?
Gio, man.
Gio, nice to finally meet you, dude. Oh, you're so tall, I didn't even get your head in there.
What's up, dude?
Dude, this dude is fucking. Oh, watch this. Hold on.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Yo,
Look, stand up straight. Look at this.
Look, he's not in it.
Oh, dude.
Randy, where you at?
I'm right down here, dude.
You're not even in frame.
Yo, you guys are actually right next to Premium.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Ivan, brother.
Ivan, nice to meet you, man.
We have the Willy Wonka.
This is the Willy Wonka factory.
Willy Wonka factory, huh? So I won the golden ticket.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
That's for all of our Tokyo Wax stuff that we're just dropping this Saturday at our show is Tokyo Wax. Here they are, right here. They're packaging up right now.
That fire,
That's that fire, man.
We need something like this, dude. We need a fucking warehouse, bro. We're outgrowing our house, and it's just like, yeah. But you guys are like on a way bigger scale. All right, guys. So I didn't film it, but I've been talking to these guys for the past couple hours, and they're teaching me how to run my business a little better. And I was giving these guys a little rundown on how to run YouTube a little bit better. And what do you guys have? You guys got a YouTube channel, right?
Go follow us at Tuned in Tokyo. Just go on search Tuned in Tokyo. Will pop up. We just started and we're working on our cars. Let me show you some of the cars that we have back here. We're actually giving this 350Z away.
Check it out.
Yo, this thing is fucking tight.
It's also on bags. Has a half case inside. Right seats. Yeah.
And you guys gotta see my man Gio's Evo right here. Look at this, dude. This shit is fucking sick.
So this is my baby, my pride and joy, guys. I've had him about 5 years now. So
5 years?
5 years now. So this is a 2013 Evo 10 GSR with the VARS wide body kit with all carbon fiber accents on it. It's a 4-time SEMA car too. 2 times for AMSOIL and 2 times for Specky 2.
We're gonna be giving this away as well.
Yeah, right. No way. We're not giving that away.
On the channel, one car that we currently are building is my RX-7. I got the Re-Amamiya wide body kit. I'm gonna do a lot of other things, but you guys are gonna have to come on the channel and subscribe to see the rest.
This is what I want to be doing in the future, and they gave me some advice, and I thought that was pretty cool.
Props to Randy and Illiminate for getting the channel to where they got it.
But honestly, props to these guys too for, look at this. You guys see this fucking fat ass warehouse that they got without a YouTube channel, all promoting through Instagram, all that stuff? Yeah. Mad props, right? So if you guys want to learn something about starting a clothing brand, maybe they can help you guys out too.
Yep.
Slide through
Anything
their DMs,
as far as starting a brand, we're building this 350. We're actually about to wide body it in the next couple episodes. And then everything having to do with my RX-7, fully building it.
One more thing that you guys probably don't really realize, look how young all these guys look. They're all super young just like us, right? We're all striving to make money, to drive dope cars, and it's a matter of you going out and actually doing it. So if you guys want to subscribe to their channel, boom right here or in the description below. I'll have their Instagrams and everything too.
We hope to see you guys on our channel.
Hey, thanks for
Thank
coming
you, Randy.
around.
Appreciate it, man.
March 24th, that's this weekend. Come catch all of us. GTR will be ready. We will see you then.
We're gonna get your boy on stage.
Oh
no.
Get your boy on stage.
Your boy Randy's gonna be co-hosting with me on stage.
I'll give it a shot.
No, we're gonna do it.
All right, guys. All right, I'll go up if I'm not like fucking wasted. I'm sorry.
I think you'd like this one, bro.
Like this one?
Look at that.
Ooh, that looks tight.
This one's my favorite.
This one's your favorite? Well, I don't think you guys see that.
Godzilla.
Yup, that's oh. What do I drive? Godzilla.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, it's all you.
Thank you very much. Sick. This is gonna be fucking used on the GTR for sure.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see that. Let me see that.
That's him.
Look at that. That's him right there.
That's your boy.
Street legend. That fool, your fucking S13 don't even run. Damn. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Luke and I just checked into our room. Luke's bed. Filmer's bed, and forgot to mention this is also my bed because I'm coming out the closet tonight, baby. Look, I'm coming in. Hey, Luke! Spread them cheeks! Just kidding. We're throwing a we're gonna be throwing a meet and greet tonight at In-N-Out, and don't know how many people are gonna show up. This is our first time doing this in SoCal. Probably 2-3 people are gonna show up, but let's head there because this is gonna be a fucking long vlog. Yo, we just made it here. It's like what, 10 o'clock? We already got some people. I was pulling up, I was like, yo, this is a dead ass place. No one's gonna be here. We already got a whole bunch of people here. I think it's gonna be sick. I guess I'm signing my first ECU.
On data, bro.
Hey. You got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got you.
Nah, don't pick up.
Bam, here you go, dude. Thank you. That's hella badass, bro.
Oh, I should have brought my shit out. Bro, how it feels to be Randy, bro.
Here you go, bro. This is sick. What the fuck? Hey, we just got here right now. I don't know who else is gonna show up, but this is pretty cool. I thought like 4 people were gonna be here. Bam. Fucking creative out here. Got Christian with me. He's rocking our shit.
What's up? On the vlog.
Hey, his girlfriend couldn't make it, so you know, had to bring her through FaceTime.
Yeah, man.
Thanks for rocking our shit, man.
Oh shoot! Randy signing mine. Freaking Hot Wheel collection. Oh shoot!
Right on this one.
And it is
Big, bro. My name only has like 5 letters. It's all good.
You say you're slippery, dude.
Yeah, bro. Boom, here you go, bro.
Oh
Thanks,
shoot!
All right, guys, we're answering questions and all that stuff, and this guy said he's gonna do a flip for the vlog. So let's fuck in. Let's hit. Hey, do not hurt yourself. Oh! Okay. Oh. All the rocket bunnies are coming out. What's up, bro? That's your whip? Yeah. Fucking clean, man.
Long drive?
Oh yeah, definitely. Thanks for coming out, dude. All right, guys, so camera is dead, but the support in SoCal is absolutely insane. I want to thank everybody for coming out. Yo, all the subscribers are fucking amazing. Thank you to everybody that came out today. All right, guys, don't forget to like,